Bitcoin, is it possible that today we hit 100K? Well, I believe that's possible. If you want to know the last information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, smash the like button, click it, and we start Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, crypto to the max. Today is a happy day again. Yesterday we were in the $94,000 and just in one day we are up to 97,900. Yes, you listen it properly, 98,000, really close to that. Maybe today we will break that line. Maybe today we can go to 100K. We are just $2,000, just at 2% from that point. Yesterday we went up 4%, close to $4,000. So if we just have the good day we had yesterday, we will be in 100K today. Any case, congratulations. You have the hint also from CNMV future trading instrument. You know that we've seen that this is going ahead of Bitcoin spot price. Remember, I'm not expert, this is not financial advice, but you can see that Bitcoin on this futures chart hit 98,365. So we have kind of a gap there that we can feel just today, that you woke up crazy like these guys, like what? And probably you are checking all the time your portfolio, you're trying to work, you're trying to do some stuff, but Bitcoin wants you to check it all the time, and that's why you are not sleeping properly. Donald Trump just hitting the ball and making his dance. This is the guy that has accelerated everything that's going on. That's why he is dancing like crazy. Or maybe you are just feeling it like this because you've been here for 8 years, 9 years, and you know what happens. Sometimes we go up, sometimes we go down. So yeah, new all-time high, and that's that for today. Maybe also you are wondering, wasn't it 69? Are you certain that we are in 96 and above? Yes, that was a blink of an eye, absolutely. It took us just 16 days, 15 days in order to reach to that 96, and that's a 42% rise. We've been raising $30,000 in just 2 weeks on Bitcoin. This is crazy. This is the Wild West. This is crypto, as you know. And now people consider it maybe also in a blink of an eye, you go from 100K to $1 million. That would be amazing. But any case, right now, everybody believes that Bitcoin 200K is imminent, and other people is sad because of Ethereum. Because Ethereum is not doing anything. It's going down and just hit a 4-year low against Bitcoin. That's not good. Vitalik Buterin calling, saying how you try to turn it off and turn it on again, like like IT crowd. Really interesting. Also, this meme from Naive, where we have this Ethereum holder and he's annoyed by the light of Bitcoin rise. We have still the gap of Ethereum and we haven't closed it, so maybe that's why we're still there close to 3,000. But in my opinion, and this is just an opinion, do not do this because of me, but maybe this is the real Black Friday. Maybe having Ethereum at a 40% discount is the best you can have. And consider also that according to Ask Crypto, whales are buying in the shadows, and I believe that might be the case. Consider that we have BlackRock, Binance, we have Fidelity, we have all those huge institutions out there, and they don't want, if they are buying Ethereum, they don't want you to know. So they maybe what they are doing, as they have their position in Bitcoin already, they've been accumulating that for months now. Well, now they're trying to accumulate Ethereum beforehand. So I believe it can be a very good opportunity. Also, considering technical analysis, remember that we studied this from Cohen, and we still have time in the pair Ethereum Bitcoin till December. Right now, Bitcoin is the king, the dominance is crazy, but in the end of December, January, maybe we will have the alt season as we had it when we had 2017. That might be the case. You can see how people are buying like crazy in Bitcoin all over the world. If you're gonna buy, I leave you links in the description below to Coinbase and also to Binance, which are two exchanges I believe are okay. And also here you have this chart for Ethereum and Fibonacci. And you can see that this is, well, quite the same as we studied here, now also with the topic of Fibonacci. So yeah, any case, what's going on with Bitcoin? Why we are going so crazy right now? Well, maybe because of this piece of information. Trump administration to consider creating first ever White House crypto roll. That would be huge. And also that one, Texas legislator Giovanni Capriglione. I want Texas to have a strategic Bitcoin reserve first. They want to be first. Donald Trump and him, they are going to race for that. And also remember all these instruments that we had news, the options we had out there. And now you see that Bitcoin open interest hit new all-time high of $63,032 billion. Well, I didn't read that properly. 63 billion. That's enough. Yeah, that would be enough right now. I'm just crazy with the numbers because we have a new all-time high out there, which is the US national debt that reached an all-time high of, I can't read that number, that figure, but who's gonna fix that? In a day that was very good in the stock market and MicroStrategy, Bitcoin Archive says here was the third most traded stock yesterday, and Radar says that MicroStrategy was the most traded stock in the day. The stock market that went crazy up, Asia is rising today, so it's okay, people are happy. Who's the happier? Well, Satoshi Nakamoto, because he right now is sitting in 95, and I can't read that figure neither, $95 billion? I don't know, it's crazy the amount. Remember that he has 1 million Bitcoin. And also this cat is so happy because he's trading every day, all the time. Be careful out there. But where can we go right now? Well, if we use Wyckoff method, we might still need to go higher to the next step before following. That would bring us to some point close to $150,000, according to Titan of Crypto. And with Ali here, he says that we are following the path of 2020 in December. So if that's the case, we are here. We have to now create all this rise. And first, we will go to around 108, then drop to 99, and then a bounce to $135,000. Amazing stuff. I just use TradingView. You have the link in the description below in order to see where and when this will happen. So yeah, maybe this year we're gonna be in $130,000. This might be it. But remember that we are following the path of 2023 last year when we broke this line. And well, according to our plan, we have still 40 days till we go to 100K. So maybe we are to be flat all the time till then. But it seems that we are breaking it. So should we now jump into the narrative that we are following now the blue path and not the yellow one? What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. November, Moonbember, the 37% rise, and we are doing better than in the past, than in 2015, 16, and 23. You can see this haven't been seen in the past. And this is just week 3. Remember, we may have 4, 6, or 8. I told you everything about that in previous videos. Watch them also, you have all the information. And I told you that it was going to be a nice last quarter. Right now, Moonbember is close to the best ones in history. It's true, we have a 400% here, but that's too crazy for me. So maybe we will stop here, 40%, even 50%. Do you believe that's possible? Well, who knows? Now Bitcoin is looking at Amazon, is looking at Google and Microsoft in market cap. First, we have to go after Amazon. Is going to be huge. if Bitcoin surpasses in market cap Amazon. We are greedy at an extreme, of course, and the bubbles are crazy up. You can see Bitcoin Cash going up. Why? I hate that cryptocurrency, but I like some others. You can see Satoshi Vision also going there. So as Bitcoin is raising, also the forks are following. But do not, do not make any mistake. Bitcoin is just Bitcoin, and these other things are terrible stuff. Where can I know if a project is okay or not? Well, Dextrus.io will provide you with a lot of information, and you can create tokens. And I told you in previous video that this guy made 30K, but there's someone that make more than that, like millions and millions of dollars in just hours. You have to track all that profit and the losses too. So just coin tracking, you have a link in the description below with a 10% for that. And if you need legal advice that probably you know, well, consider going to CL Crypto. This is a really nice YouTube channel where Jesus Lorente will tell you if it's wise selling on 2024 or is better to wait on 2025. And also he tweeted this asking me for a raise to 100K maybe this weekend. He said, well, maybe today, Jesus. We'll see about that. Remember that we are close to Black Friday just tomorrow. Use the link in the description below for those buys. You help us indirectly. Thank you very much. Also, if you use Audible, it's free for 30 days. So thank you very much. And do not buy a treasure or a ledger today. Tomorrow we will give you the link so you help us. And tomorrow, of course, I have no clue right now, but I expect that you will have discounts tomorrow. So wait till tomorrow. And that's it for today. I have my browser like this. This sounds familiar to you. You have the browser like this too. Well, then we better rest a little bit. We can just put a cat as the boss. If you have a Zoom meeting, you can use a cat right now. Or maybe you can do that, and when your boss is mad at you, you can say, well, I'm rich because of Bitcoin, so who cares about these Zoom meetings anymore? I'm just leaving the company. Any case, consider to play, enjoy life like these two. They have no Bitcoin whatsoever, but they are playing and they are having fun. Also, this guy, I feel like this one, just jumping here and there like a crazy person. Of course, be crazy. That's nice in my opinion. And go to our other channel, Inteligencia Artificial with Rodrigo Arnedo, and learn about Inteligencia Artificial. Well, you can see that in this thumbnail, I look like the YouTube logo. I'm the white triangle in the middle and red all over in the rest. So thank you to Tani that created that. And if you want to learn more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, if you want to enjoy with us 100K, welcome to the next video here. In Noticias Bitcoin, Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the right crypto news. Health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!